Hello everybody, welcome to this session on GST. Today we will discuss about compliance rating under GST. Compliance rating is a new concept being introduced in GST. So, what do you think is compliance rating? Under GST, every taxable person will receive a GST compliance rating. This is a compliance score which will be based on the person's record of compliance. You all might be aware of the credit rating score, which is based on a person's credit history and repayment of credit. This score is used by banks to evaluate the person's likelihood to repay a debt or loan, and it is used as basis for grant of loans. Similarly, the compliance rating score is a score of compliance based on the person's record of compliance. The score will be determined based on parameters which are yet to be prescribed. These parameters are expected to be whether the person has regularly filed returns on a timely basis, whether accurate information is filed, whether any notice has been issued to the person, etc. These scores will be updated at periodic intervals based on the ongoing compliance data of all dealers. This compliance rating will be available to all the taxable persons and also would be placed in the public domain. Hence, every taxpayer's compliance rating will be openly visible to all. Let us now evaluate why compliance rating is introduced in GST. The biggest benefit of compliance rating will be for taxpayers to make informed decisions on their choice of suppliers. Under GST, your input credit is dependent on your supplier's compliance. If your supplier does not file the return providing details of transactions with you and does not pay the tax collected on these transactions, you will lose the input credit on the transactions. Hence, it becomes very essential for you to select the right suppliers. Compliance rating is a tool that will assist taxpayers to select the right suppliers. Another benefit of compliance rating is that it will ensure compliance from all taxpayers. As a supplier, even missing filing of a return could now affect your compliance rating, which may lead to loss of customers. On the other hand, having a good compliance rating will become a point of advantage for you over your competitors and will result in a good business reputation and hence good business. Hence, under GST, ensuring regular compliance will help you in achieving a high compliance rating, which in turn will result in a good reputation for your business. To learn more on GST, you can visit our blog blogs.tallysolutions.com. You can also download our app Tally for GST from Play Store. Thank you.